It's late at night, and you've been sitting at your desk for hours, lost in thought. You've heard all about dropshipping and how it could be the key to your financial freedom. You've watched countless videos and read dozens of articles, and yet, here you are. Staring at an empty screen, your dream business still just a dream. Sound familiar? Well, guess what? Today is the day that changes. Forget the endless planning and overthinking. In the next few minutes, we're going to turn the dream into a reality. That's right, you're going to start your very own dropshipping business, and you'll do it in less time than it takes to finish the cup of coffee. But first, let me officially welcome you to the channel. If you're new here, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on tips that can help you transform your life. And hey, check out the links in the description below. I've got all the resources you'll need to start your journey today. Alright, enough chit-chat. Let's dive in and get this business up and running. Time's ticking. Step 1, you need a store. Now, don't worry if you've never done this before. If you can navigate a smartphone, you can build an online store. Sell the Trend's shop builder is like IKEA furniture, except, there are no confusing instructions or leftover screws. It's all drag, drop, and done. And no, you won't need to know a single line of code. Already got a store on Shopify or WooCommerce? Awesome. Just connect it to Sell the Trend in a few clicks. It's like linking your phone to Wi-Fi, easy, quick, and essential. Think of your store like your online brick and mortar. You wouldn't want a messy, confusing shop in real life, right? The same goes for your online store. Keep it clean, user-friendly, and welcoming. Trust me, your customers will thank you later. Step 2, find your winning products. Now that your store's ready, let's talk products. Here's where the magic happens, finding the products that'll fly off the virtual shelves. Meet your new best friend, the NEXUS AI product discovery tool. This little genius is like having a personal detective who's always on the hunt for the next big thing. Remember the fidget spinner craze? Yep, that goldmine was unearthed by savvy dropshippers using tools just like this. Who knows, you might be the one to discover the next big hit. Step 3, add winning products to your shop. Got your winning products? Fantastic. Now, let's get them onto your store. Adding them is as easy as ordering pizza online, just one click, and it's done. No more tedious manual entries, no more hassle. And just like that, your store is stocked and ready to sell. Pro tip, high-quality images and killer product descriptions are your secret weapons. Think of them as the window display of your online store. Make them irresistible. Step 4, find reliable suppliers and market to the right audience. Next up, you need reliable suppliers. With Sell the Trend, finding trustworthy suppliers is a breeze. These are the folks who'll handle the heavy lifting. They'll fulfill your orders and keep your customers happy. And speaking of customers, you've got to make sure you're reaching the right ones. Sell the Trend helps you zero in on your target audience so you can market your products effectively. It's like having a business partner who handles the tricky stuff while you focus on growing your empire. Insider tip, always order a sample from your supplier before you start selling. It's a small step that can save you from big headaches down the line. Plus, you get to feel like a customer in your own store. Step 5, start selling. Now for the fun part, selling. Watch your dashboard as the orders start rolling in. There's nothing like that first sale. It's like winning your first game of Monopoly, except this time, the money's real. Remember, the first sale is always the hardest. But once you get it, you'll feel unstoppable. Keep pushing, Keep tweaking, and those sales will keep coming. Step 6. Congratulations. You've done it. In less time than it takes to watch a movie, you've set up your very own dropshipping business. Take a moment, pat yourself on the back, and maybe even do a little victory dance. You deserve it. Here's a tip: celebrate your milestones, big or small. Whether it's your first sale or your 100th, take a moment to appreciate your hard work. It's the little victories that keep you going. Bonus tips for success. Now that you've got the basics down, let's go the extra mile with some bonus tips to make sure your dropshipping business doesn't just survive but thrives. 1. Use Bigword AI for products descriptions and social media content. Imagine having a professional copywriter on speed dial. That's what Bigword AI does for you. It crafts catchy product descriptions and social media posts that convert. Because who has time for writer's block, right? 2. Drive sales with Vivareviews. Social proof is everything. Vivareviews lets you import reviews from AliExpress and display them on your site. It's like having your customers do your marketing for you. And let's be honest, who doesn't love reading a good review before hitting that buy now button? 3. Stay updated with trends. Always be in the know. Google Trends is your go-to for spotting what's hot and what's not. Being ahead of the curve is your ticket to staying competitive in the dropshipping game. 4. Engage with your customers. Building relationships with your customers is key. Answer their questions, ask for their feedback, and make them feel valued. Happy customers equals repeat customers. And who doesn't love a loyal customer base? 5. Optimize your marketing. Don't just throw money at ads, be smart about it. Use Facebook ads and Instagram influencers to target your niche. It's like fishing with a laser-guided net, you'll catch exactly what you're aiming for. See? Starting a dropshipping business isn't so scary after all. With the right tools and a bit of determination, you're well on your way to financial freedom. And hey, if you haven't already, check out the links in the description to try out Sell the Trend, Bigword AI, and Vivareviews for free. These tools are here to help you every step of the way. Conclusion. Remember, every big journey starts with a single step. Today, you've taken that step. Your dropshipping business is just the beginning of your entrepreneurial adventure. So, buckle up, enjoy the ride, and let's make those dreams come true. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need that extra push to start their own journey. Until next time, keep dreaming big and taking action.